Hello and welcome to the new video on nature, feature or characteristics of business. So what do you mean by business? Business means buying and selling of goods and services in exchange of money. Or you may be involved in manufacturing business where you will produce first and then sell to the customer. Or you will buy and then sell to the customer but in exchange of money. So if you want to learn and understand in detail the concept, the meaning and definition of business, just check out the video in the I button. So just imagine for a moment that if there is no business around you, so what would be your life? एक बार जरा सोच के देखिए, अगर कोई भी बिजनेस ना हो आपके आसपास तो आपकी लाइफ कैसी रहेगी, आपकी हर दिन की लाइफ कैसी होगी, आपकी लाइफ हर दिन की डिफिकल्ट होगी. To make your life smooth, easy, simple and fast, we all need what businesses, and we are very dependent on the businesses on daily life. We are very connected on the businesses. So in the market there are various businesses are there. मार्केट में बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस है लेकिन हर बिजनेस एक दूसरे से अलग है. वो अलग क्यों है? जैसे एग्जांपल डीमार्ट, देन यू हैव रेलवे, देन यू हैव जोमेटो, देन यू हैव स्विगी, देन यू हैव पेटीएम. देयर आर लॉट मेनी कंपनीज आर देयर, बट व्हाई दे आर डिफरेंट टू ईच अदर? वो एक दूसरे से अलग क्यों? फॉर दिस you need to understand the basic nature of business, the basic feature of business. Now we will study and explore the nature and features of the business. The first nature is economic activity. Business is an economic activity. In business, what you do, what kind of activity and work you perform, it may be a production, it may be a distribution, it may be a sale of goods. It's all related to satisfaction of needs and wants of the customer in exchange, where you will going to earn income, where you will going to earn the profit. And that is why business activity is called as economic activity, because there is a in exchange you will going to earn certain money on a regular basis. So business is called as economic activity. Example, your local kirana shop, vegetable, fruit seller on the roadside, everybody is selling something to you and they are charging a money and they are earning money and they are satisfying your needs and requirements. The best example, we have Dabbawala service in Mumbai. They are highly efficient and highly managing their business, and they are delivering the home cooked meal to their offices, to their employee. So they all are providing the businesses or some sorts of goods and services, and for that they are earning money. So all this activity what they are performing is called as economic activity. Then the second characteristics, or you can say the feature of business, is production or buying of goods and services. Some company may be involved in producing the goods, converting the raw material and then selling to the final customer, or some company or some businessman maybe directly buying the ready-made goods and selling to the final consumer. For example, Amul company, they are producing the milk, even some they are collecting the milk from the farmer, and then they are processing and then they are selling the dairy products to the final consumers. So Tata Motor is a manufacturing company producing the motors, producing the four-wheeler cars. Flipkart company, they are buying the electronic goods and selling on their electronic platform, on their shopping websites. Then the next feature of the business is sale or exchange of goods. Though there must be a sale, because business is all about sale. कोई ना कोई सामान बेच रहा है, और बिजनेस में सामान बेच के ही या सर्विस बेच के ही पैसा कमाते हैं. दुनिया में कुछ ना कुछ बेच के ही लोग पैसा कमाते हैं, खरीद के कोई पैसा नहीं कमाता है. तो सेल या एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. So something they are selling, some quality product or quality services and selling, and for that they are charging the price. So Amazon company, they are selling and they are giving you the services of online shopping 24 by 7. Through that you can have your shopping. Then Zomato, they are giving you the online food delivery from restaurant to your doorstep, and for that they are taking the price, because they are giving you the quality service. Doctor giving you the consultancy, and for that they are charging. So everybody is they. Then taxi services means example, you all have heard and experienced the ride from the Ola or Uber. Everybody has taken a ride somewhere and some point of the time, so they are giving you the service and they are charging for that. Next unique feature of the business is continuity and consistency. So business is not a one day job. It is a business where you have to perform the business function on a regular and daily basis. You have to perform the business operation on a regular basis. You have to sell the goods to the customer on a regular basis, and with the consistency in the quality, consistency in the feature. Now, business is all about consistency. For example, a local example, say for daily newspaper, that daily newspaper is always delivering you the newspaper. If you have taken the subscription of the newspaper, is giving you the delivery of newspaper on every morning, every day, irrespective whether it is a Monday or Sunday, चाहे वो Monday हो या Sunday हो, हर दिन सुबह आपको डिलीवरी दे रहा है. इसी को बोलते हैं the power of consistency. Business is all about consistency. Then you have telecom. Say for example, Reliance Jio, Airtel, Vodafone. They give you the service. They give you service 24 by 7, the data service, the calling service, the internet service. So they give you the service 24 by 7, 365 days in a year, non-stop and without fail. Then online shopping platforms, say for Amazon and Flipkart, they give you the shopping facility on their online platform, on their application, on their website, 24 by 7, without any fail, without any problem, you can have your shopping. Then electricity, what we are having the daily essential called electricity need, water supply, railway services. Everybody is involved in the consistency, in the regularity. This is a unique feature of the business. Then customer satisfaction. The business take a round of the customer, and we are doing a business for the customer. So ultimate aim is to satisfy your customer. If you are able to satisfy your customer, then you can compete in the market, then you can stay in the market, then your business will survive and grow. Not only you have to satisfy the customer, you have to make your customer happy and delighted. Once your customer is happy and delighted, then he will make a repeat purchase, and he will bring more and more customer for your product, for your business, and for your company, and your company will take off, and no one can stop your business. So how you can satisfy your customer? So you can satisfy your customer what kind of promises you are making, and what kind of promises you are making in the terms of quality, features and price. You have to deliver that promise. जो भी आप promise कर रहे हो customer को, वो चाहे प्राइस में हो, चाहे क्वालिटी में हो, चाहे फीचर्स में, आपको वो प्रॉमिस डिलीवर करना है और कंप्लीट करना है. से फॉर एग्जांपल डोमिनोज, दे प्रॉमिस टू गिव यू द डिलीवरी ऑफ पिज्जा विद इन द 30 मिनट्स. जब वो पिज्जा की डिलीवरी की प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं आधे घंटे के अंदर, और वो आधे घंटे के अंदर अगर आपको डिलीवरी मिलता है, वी फील हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड. Then we have the services of Zomato and Swiggy. They are giving you the online food delivery from restaurant to at your doorstep. And apart from that, they are giving one of the unique feature called you can track your order where it is right now. So this give you the level of satisfaction. Then local auto garage, where if you have any problem of repair, और आप अपनी गाड़ी, अपनी बाइक और कार अगर उस गैरेज में लेके जाते हैं, लोकल गैरेज में, तो लोकल गैरेज वाला आपको डिस्काउंट भी देगा, लोकल गैरेज वाला आपको एक्स्ट्रा सर्विस भी देगा और क्विक सर्विस देगा. एंड ही विल गिव यू lot many offers, and he will give you the preferences to you, so you will feel very happy and delighted. Next feature is profit motive. Business is all about profit. Profit is one of the motive for the businessman to do the business, to run the business. प्रॉफिट बहुत 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 जरूरी है एक बिजनेसमैन के लिए, और अच्छा प्रॉफिट कमाना बहुत जरूरी है. क्योंकि अगर आपको अपने बिजनेस को एक्सपांड करना है फ्रॉम वन एरिया टू अनदर एरिया, फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट, फ्रॉम वन नेशन टू अनदर नेशन, उसके लिए पैसा लगेगा, और पैसा आएगा प्रॉफिट से. सो प्रॉफिट कमाना बेहद जरूरी है और बहुत 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 जरूरी है. So profit is one of the motive of the business for starting and running the business. Then example, Zomato, Swiggy, everybody is giving a quality product and services, and they are charging the price, and they are earning the profit, and profit is much much needed. Then local tea stall on the roadside in India, everywhere you will find the tea stall, the pan stall, the pan bidi stall, where they are selling the products and they are making a profit. Then Reliance Industry, the big company, the big famous company, they are also manufacturing the product and processing and giving the best quality of product and services, and they are making a profits. So profit is much 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 needed. Then risk and uncertainty. Business is all about risks. Everywhere there is risks. बिजनेस में ही रिस्क नहीं है, हमारे भी पर्सनल लाइफ में रिस्क है। आप जहाँ पे बैठे हैं वहाँ पे रिस्क है, आप घर से बाहर निकल रहे हैं रिस्क है, आप गाड़ी पकड़ रहे हैं रिस्क है, आप ट्रेन ले रहे हैं रिस्क है। रिस्क इज एवरीवेयर, सो यू कैन नॉट अवॉइड द रिस्क। रिस्क इज द पार्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस। बिजनेस में भी बहुत सारे प्रकार के डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रिस्क आर देयर। रिस्क इन द चेंज ऑफ टेस्ट, इन द फैशन, रिस्क इन द ट्रेंड changing, risks in the risks maybe of natural calamities, lot many different types of risks, and the change in government policy, change in technology, change risk of fire, natural calamities, strike, change in fashion, lot many risks are there, but the businessman can minimize। एक बिजनेसमैन अपने रिस्क को कम कर सकता है by taking an insurance and with the proper planning and decisions। Then legal formality, if you are doing a business in India, so India is a land of law। इस भारत देश में कानून का राज है। यू हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स, यू हैव टू फॉलो द पॉलिसीज, यू हैव टू फॉलो द रेगुलेशंस एंड लॉ, एंड यू हैव टू टेक द नेसेसरी परमिशंस, नेसेसरी लाइसेंसेस टू रन एंड टू स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस। अगर आपने जल्दबाजी में बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दिया बिना लाइसेंस लिए या बिना फॉर्मेलिटीज को कंप्लीट किए, अचानक में आपको प्रॉब्लम आ सकते हैं अपने बिजनेस को रन करने के लिए। So it is always advisable that you need to complete all the legal formalities। Example, insurance company has to follow the guidelines of IRDA। If you are in the manufacturing business, then you have to take the certificate from the pollution control department। Then if you are in the food related business, restaurant related business, then you have to follow the guidelines of FSSAI guidelines। And if you are starting a company, then you have to follow the guidelines and take the license and registration from the Companies Act 2030 and so on। So this is one of the feature of business। Then quality focus, everybody, next point is what, next feature, next nature is quality। everybody wanting the quality, चाहे वो अमीर हो, चाहे वो गरीब हो, चाहे वो मिडिल क्लास का व्यक्ति हो, हर एक को क्वालिटी चाहिए। इनकी तो बात छोड़ो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप किसी बेगर को या भिखारी को आप कोई खाने पीने की सामान देते हैं और अगर वो पुअर क्वालिटी का है, सब स्टैंडर्ड का वो नहीं लेगा, इवन दो पैसा नहीं दे रहा है, तो गरीब को या भिखारी को भी क्वालिटी अच्छी चाहिए, तो जो व्यक्ति पैसा दे रहा है उसको तो और बेहतरीन क्वालिटी आपको देना है, क्योंकि आप उससे प्राइस चार्ज कर रहे हैं। जब आप प्राइस चार्ज कर रहे हैं तो आपकी ये जिम्मेदारी है, यू हैव टू गिव द बेस्ट क्वालिटी। और अगर आप क्वालिटी पे फोकस करेंगे, अगर आपको लंबे समय तक बिजनेस करना है, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द क्वालिटी, देन यू कैन सर्वाइव फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इन द मार्केट। सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट क्वालिटी। Example, Asian Paint, they are having a they put a lot of money on the research and development, they put a lot of money, they are investing a lot of money in the quality checks, so they are focusing on the quality of their paint for the durability, for eco-friendly paint or weather resistance। Then you have Amul company. They have the multiple quality checkpoints on every process, on every stage of their production and process, even package, even collecting the milk from the farmer. They have the quality check at the time of process, at the time of packaging. They have the quality checks. Tata Motor, they focus on the quality of safety of their car owner and the performance of the car। Then the next feature is creativity and innovative। ये पुराना जमाना नहीं है जहाँ पे आप एक टाइप का सामान लगातार बहुत सालों तक या बहुत सारे कस्टमर को बेचेंगे, वो बिजनेस आज के जमाने में नहीं चलेगा। दिस इज अ मॉडर्न डे बिजनेस। यू हैव टू डू समथिंग यूनिक, you have to bring some innovation into your product if you want to survive and if you want to stay into the market। आपको कुछ नया करना पड़ेगा, you have to bring something new। कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे, you at least change in the quality, change in the color, shape, size। कुछ ना कुछ आपको नया करना है, and bring something new which has no one has seen and no one has experienced। So innovation will always help you to stay into the market and stay into the competition। Then example, Oyo is, this is the best example. Oyo, they have came with the innovative idea of business of affordable hotel concept in India, a reasonable hotel price in India। Then there is Paytm. The Paytm has launched the digital payment service in the response of demonetization in India। Then Zomato nowadays they are coming with the innovative idea, and they are trying and they are experimenting about the drone food delivery system। So these are the innovation creations that they are doing। Then the Ola, we are very popular and very famous, somebody and some at some point of the time we all have taken the ride of the Ola, Ola or Uber. So Ola company is now introducing, and they are trying, and they have introduced the electric car for the sustainable development. So you need to be very creative and innovative. Then you can take a lot many benefits of this entire market. Then dynamic business is a dynamic in nature. The business environment will keep on changing. Change is compulsory. Change will always take place. Change will not going to stop. And nothing is permanent on this planet. Everything is temporary. Everything will going to change. So if you are doing a business, you have to accept the change, and you have to adapt your business according to the change. जो चेंज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा और चेंज के हिसाब से अपने बिजनेस और अपने आप को नहीं बदलेगा, ही विल बी आउट ऑफ द मार्केट। क्योंकि अगर आप चेंज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे, देन आपका सेल्स कम होने लगेगा। जब सेल्स कम होगा तो आपका इनकम कम होगा, इनकम कम होगा तो प्रॉफिट कम होगा, और प्रॉफिट कम होगा तो आपको लॉस होने लगेगा। और एक बार लॉस हुआ, देन यू हैव टू पैक योर बैग एंड गो टू होम। सो business is dynamic in nature. Say the best example that I can give you for this feature is telecom company. Say for example, Airtel, Vodafone, Reliance Jio, they have upgraded their technology from 3G to 4G and 4G to 5G. But at the same time, BSNL and MTNL, they have struggled, they have delayed in implementing, in upgrading their technology from 3G to 4G. And as a result, you can see that they have lost lot many customers, and result in what? Decline in sales, decline in profit. And now the BSNL and MTNL, they have become less competitive in the telecom sector. So business, this is one of the unique feature or nature of the business, that it is a dynamic. Next, we have social responsibility, that if you are doing a business in India, you have started, you have born in India, you have born in the society, you are doing a business in the society, you are earning the profit from the society, so it is your responsibility to give something to the society in return, because what you have earned and what you have made, it is just because of the society, so you have to give something in return to the society. So society for the overall development. So that example, Tata company, they are giving and fulfilling their social responsibility in the field of education, in the field of healthcare, very famous, that is Tata Cancer Hospital, and they are giving these all services and facility at a most reasonable price. Then Mahindra Group, they are running the project called Nanni Kali. They are giving the educational facilities to the underprivileged girls, and giving all the educational facilities. Zomato, they are trying to reduce the plastic waste while in the food delivery. Then competition. The next feature is the competition. So competition is everywhere, and competition is the part of the business. You cannot avoid the competition. It is an inevitable part of the business. कंपटीशन हर जगह है। कंपटीशन बिजनेस में नहीं, हमारे पर्सनल लाइफ में है। सुबह उठने से लेके, ट्रेन पकड़ने से लेके, एडमिशन लेने से लेके, आपका जॉब जॉब में कंपटीशन, ट्रेन पकड़ने में कंपटीशन, बस पकड़ने में कंपटीशन, कंपटीशन इज एवरीवेयर। एंड सिमिलरली बिजनेस में भी कंपटीशन है। सो इट इज बेटर you just face the competition and win the competition, then you can survive into the market. So lot many competition are there. Example, I'll give you the example. The Airtel company is competing with the Jio. Flipkart is having a competition with the Amazon. Then Maggie का भी competition है. Then DMart is competing with the Reliance Fresh, or Reliance Fresh is competing with the DMart. Then Swiggy is competing with the Zomato. So competition will be there, and you cannot avoid. The best way and the best simplest way is to face the competition and win the competition. So I think this is it from my side on the topic called nature and feature and characteristics of business. I hope I have made you understood, and you all have understood. So this is it from my side. We'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, take much care. आप अपना बहुत 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 ख्याल रखो. Thank you very